Welcome to Awemany Crypto. I'm your host Kronos, and today a new idea coming out of the Bitcoin Cash community to help make instant transactions more reliable. The basic issue is that Bitcoin blocks are only mined every 10 minutes on average, and that's a long time to wait for your first confirmation on the blockchain. Can we do better? Our sponsor today is America's Card Room, the most trusted US online poker site. When you make your first deposit using any of over 60 different cryptocurrencies, you'll get double your first deposit as a bonus. So if you want to try online poker, check out America's Card Room. So the inventor of this idea, Awemany, calls it Delta blocks, and you'll see why in a moment. But then this guy isn't just a software developer, he's a marketing genius because he's also naming the idea Storm. Because let's face it, would you rather use Delta blocks or Bitcoin Storm? Anyway, here's the idea. When Bitcoin miners are working on the next block, they're basically trying to get lucky enough to find a solution to the current mining problem. They're just guessing numbers and checking if they qualify as a solution as fast as they can. But sometimes they get really close to qualifying as the next block, but not quite. These almost winners are called weak blocks because they're a little too weak to get added to the main Bitcoin blockchain. And today they're just thrown away by the miners. There's already an idea out there to use these weak blocks to store the priority of transactions waiting for the next real block. But Delta blocks, or Storm, takes this a step further. It shows a way that the weak blocks can be combined together over time to build a sort of a graph or tree of weak blocks, giving a level of confidence that their transactions will be added to the next official block when it comes out. Awemany even built a program to simulate how this might play out on the live Bitcoin Cash network, which looks like a bunch of gobbledygook to me. For the rest of us, this means that even if our transactions are unconfirmed, we can still have confidence that they'll be included in the blockchain when the next block is mined. Discussions are still ongoing about how exactly this might be implemented in Bitcoin Cash. Post your thoughts below the video. I'm Kronos. Thanks for watching.